So you've only got one car and it needs to do absolutely everything. It's pretty hard to beat the brand new M5 Touring. Today we're going to be doing full front end paint protection film and a ceramic coating and window tint to fully protect this brand new Super Saloon. So in case you didn't know, the M5 Touring is the M5 wagon. Look at the way that this body is designed. It is one of BMW's very few wagons that they've made over the years. And this one here, our client told us he dynoed it at 770 to the wheel from the factory. That is insane power for a family hauling car. Take a look at all this interior leather. You got leather on the steering wheel, leather on the dash. You have full Alcantara up top. Ceramic window tint is designed to cut glare and heat so that not only is the cabin cooler, but it preserves all of this interior material. Over time, extended exposure to UV can cause this material to peel back. If you look at some of these photos of some of our clients, you can see how much damage the sun can do for cars with extended leather like this. So it's very important that we have high quality ceramic tint protecting the interior of this car. And so today we're gonna walk you through this extensive package on a fantastic car. So every service here at Humble Car Auto Spa starts with a great prep. So we're going to be cleaning the wheels and tires first using a brush and dedicated wheel cleaners that dissolve the brake dust, and then we're going to be rinsing it off so that this car's wheels are clean. And we start with wheels because it's the dirtiest area of the vehicle, and we don't want those contaminants going through the rest of the vehicle and causing any kind of scratches. We're also going to be foaming the vehicle, so we rinse off the vehicle, we do a full foam. The foam dissolves dirt, and so as we go to wash it with a mitt, because that dirt has been dissolved and lifted off the panel, it's far easier for us to clean, and also it mitigates any chances of swirl marks and scratches during the wash process. Next, we're going to be doing a clay bar, or in this instance, a clay mitt. The clay bar removes embedded contaminants that are stuck to the paint that don't come out with a wash, and this step is ultra important when we are doing paint protection film to make sure that we don't seal in those contaminants. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and do a rinse. We're going to rinse off all of that soap, make sure all of that is off the paint. We also do a mild chemical decontamination as well, which we rinse off so those chemicals dissolve any embedded iron, any embedded sap, and then it comes off with that rinse. So guys, check this out. Now that the wash is done, I can actually inspect the paint up close. Look at this hologramming from the dealer. This car has barely got, I don't even think it has 50 miles on the clock, but yeah, check that out. So fresh off the dealer, looks like that. So paint protection film is a clear vinyl that's strong enough to take physical damage. So that's rock chips, scuffs, scratches, even swirl marks too. It can heal some of those minor superficial marks. And the areas we're going to be protecting on this M5 Touring is going to be the full front end. That's the hood, bumper, the front fenders, also these mirror caps as well. be tucking all of the edges as well. Tucked film not only looks fantastic because you can't tell, and especially on black sapphire metallic, you don't want any exposed seams so that they don't look very unsightly. But tucked film also is more durable without as many exposed edges. Those edges are less likely to catch and lift, which means that this PPF is going to last a long time. So we're applying the PPF onto the fenders. First thing we got to do is we have to make sure that the major points like corners are lined up. So you're going to see my guys kind of shifting things into place and then locking. With everything lined up, we are now going to evacuate the rest of this slip solution. So this solution that you're seeing, this soapy water, allows us to manipulate the film and position it into place. This allows us to move it freely, position it into place, and then squeegee it shut. And with all of the paint protection film laid, trimmed, and baked, let me take you behind the scenes and show you what our work looks like up close. All right, small details. So this is a twin turbo V8 plug-in hybrid, and you can see this is the charge port. So we've tucked the film all the way through the cap. And so once you close the cap, you can't even tell that the PPF is here. So this type of installation not only looks really great, but because it's not as exposed, those edges are less likely to catch and lift, which means that this PPF is actually going to last. You can see because we've taken out the BMW badge as well, it looks really fantastic. The film gets tucked all the way to about here, and then the badge goes back on, looking quite seamless. All of the sensors do get hand cut, so we lay the piece in one cohesive piece, and then we actually trim the sensor by hand. In doing so, you can get a very precise cut, so it's perfect every time. So this whole vehicle has been ceramic coated on top of everything that you've just seen in the PPF. So the ceramic coating goes over all of the paint and the paint protection film as well. Once treated, the ceramic coating is going to make it very non-stick, but more importantly, it's chemical resistant so that things don't stain. So this black sapphire metallic stays this sexy shade of deep, dark, glossy black. I want to show you guys around the corners and edges of this installation as well. Black sapphire metallic is very difficult with PPF because if you stretch it incorrectly, you will get glue lines everywhere, you'll get work lines, it'll look really unsightly. So I want to show you these corners and edges, these hard edges that we talked about during the installation. Look at the work up close. All of that extra prep work has ensured that the PPF has gone on crystal clear. So if you're looking at these corners, you can see we've cut them, trimmed them, and tucked them. This is the way we like to do PPF here at Humble Auto Spa. Going on to the window tint, this is 25% all the way sides and back, and you can see it is a pretty good darkness. This is legal limit here in Dallas, and this is what 90% of my clients will get. On the windshield, we've opted for 50%. So what's nice about 50 is that it's not too dark. It does give you a slight amount of privacy, but it does cut a bunch of glare and heat, and this is the biggest piece of glass next to the driver face. So I always recommend doing the windshield as well. So that is full front end paint protection film, as well as ceramic coating over all of the paint, and full window tint, full ceramic window tint on this BMW M5, so that all of that glass is nice and shaded, it stays cool in the interior, and it cuts the glare. If you guys want a project like this done, projects like this take the entire week. They are extremely labor intensive, but you saw how much work went in. We don't want to mess it up. We want to get it right the first time. This is what it takes, but now that you've seen the work up close, you can definitely tell the results are worth the wait. It's Jesse at Home Auto Spa, and I'll catch you next time.